नमस्ते। दिस रोप इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर द लोअर बैक पेन। ये जो रोप है ना, बहुत अच्छे से हम लोग लोअर बैक पेन के लिए वापर सकते हैं। तो हम लोग अभी क्या करेंगे ना, इसको पकड़ के धीरे धीरे बैक में जाएंगे। सो वी हैव टू होल्ड दिस रोप एंड वेरी स्लोली जेंटली यू नीड टू रोल बैक। तो क्या होएगा ना, स्पाइन हैज टू टच टू द मैट. So every vertebra of the spine need to be touched on the floor. So go this way only. आप इसी हिसाब से जाइएगा. Then place this rope on your ankle. Then hold for a few seconds. Lengthen the lower back and try to engage your core. आपका पेट को अंदर लेके उसको engage करने के लिए कोशिश करिएगा. This is the first posture. After that, open the leg. Open करिएगा लेग को. यहां भी थोड़ी टाइम के लिए रुक जाइएगा. इसके बाद एक लेग को दूसरी लेग की तरफ लेके आएंगे. आप इस लेग को फ्लोर में प्रेस नहीं करेंगे. You are not going to dump your leg on the floor. The leg which is up, try to toes towards you. Try to push the toes towards you. अंगूठे आपकी तरफ रहेगा. Then interlock हाथ करिएगा from the back of the neck. Then very slowly go to the other side. Then move the upper leg down by placing the toes towards you. If it is comfortable for you, move it at least 10 to 15 times. And also try to move this opposite hand. Push these thighs inside you. Again, I'm showing from this side. This is my right leg. This is my left hand. I'm trying to move my hand towards me. So lengthen this side of the hip joints maximum. That will you release your back pain, especially the one side of the pain what you are facing. Now, second option will be, I'm taking this leg down, placing on the floor. Feet को नीचे रखिएगा. Then lift the lower back up. Now here you need to push the pelvic towards you, lower back towards the heel. Now, like this, you can repeat at least 10 to 15 times. 10 to 15 times. Now, after that, third position I'm going, bringing the leg to the Namaste position. I'm trying to open up my groin, pulling front and back. This will help you to open up the inner part of the knee and inner part of the thighs. Especially groin area is the one of the reason for the people who get the lower back pain. Now here also you can stay as per your capacity. Then bring the leg towards you and open up this body. Completely lengthen it and then again lengthen it. Now you may say, why you are not doing independently? So when you're doing independently, there is a high chance you're not engaging the body, you're just dumping the body. Now when you're using the rope, you're engaging the body, that will give you more benefit. And then I'm keeping other leg down and opening this leg. So hold for a few seconds, open up this back and front. Now try this and bring the leg close to the body and interlock the hand and stay in this position. So when you're doing this way, every day, morning as well as evening, आपको सुबह और शाम को ये मूवमेंट करना है एटलीस्ट 20 मिनट तक. तो आपका लोअर बैक पेन 100% कम होएगा. आपको कोई इसके ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन है, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में डाल सकते हो. नमस्ते.